Just testing out the sound isolation of Lumafusion. Right now I'm sitting next to my window with a raw video mic go point toward me to the outside of the window. Okay. Right now I can hear in the background there are birds chirping. Okay, can you hear that? Okay, let me go back. So right now I'm facing the microphone and the window are behind me, and outside is the bird chirping. Okay, so hopefully the voice isolation of Lumafusion can actually isolate my voice, not just the bird. Okay, there's background noise, but can this process can do it. Okay, I'm just testing this out, the new way of doing editing audio in Lumafusion in 4.0. So let me be quiet a little bit and so you can hear the background. Yeah, so definitely there's background noise there. I'm not sure if the microphone can pick it up because I'm using a shotgun microphone. Okay, uh, right now I can hear it myself, but I'm not sure I can pick it up. Okay, this is test number one. Test number two with the voice isolation. Right now I'm in my bathroom. Okay, this I haven't flushed the toilet yet, but I will soon. Then listen to what is the sound in my bathroom. Okay, without me talking. Now I'm gonna flush the toilet. Okay, to see how it's gonna pick up the sound. Okay. So right now I'm still talking. I think that's very loud. Okay, right now there's the valve that pick up the let's pick up the water that pump back into the toilet. Okay, toilet bowl. Can it pick up? Okay, can you still hear me talking with that sound on? Okay, let me be quiet so you can hear what is that sound. It's very loud, right? So as I talk like this, can it pick it up? Okay, can Lumafusion isolate my sound only and separate that sound in my background in the bathroom, the valve picking up the water sound. Okay, can it isolate it? Okay, let me try that again. Let me be quiet so you can hear it. This is test number two with Lumafusion voice or audio isolation.